how to connect Instagram to Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's very easy to connect your Instagram to your Facebook, and today I'll teach you in just a few simple steps. Firstly, open up your Instagram app, and once you've done that, go to your profile icon on the bottom right and then tap on the three lines on the top right corner. There you'll see Account Center, tap on it and then tap on Profiles. Now, relevant Facebook that is logged in into your device will appear, and then you just have to tap on it, and that's it. Now your Instagram will be connected to your Facebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video, everyone.